Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel to be part of this amazing family. If you are my returning subscriber, I say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So today's video is going to be on how to make a pleated vent at the back of your skirt. So I've already drafted my basic skirt here. And if you don't know how to cut this skirt, I have a tutorial on my channel, so I'll be dropping it down the comment section below. So we are going to be focusing mainly on the back panel because our pleated vent is going to be at the back. So as you can see, this is the front pattern which I drafted, and this is the back pattern, and this is the vent. So I marked 7.5 inches for the vent. That's the length of the vent. You can choose to make it longer because this skirt is going to be like medium skirt. It's not long skirt. So this is 7.5 inches here, and the width I'm using is 6 inches. You can use between 6 to 8 or to 10 inches on the width, but the length depends on how long you want your vent to be. But I'm taking 7.5. Let me lay the front panel on the back for you to see. So this is the front. So this is the center back. And on the center back, I marked 1 inch for the zip. And I ended it half an inch below the vent line. So this is it. And I marked 7 inches for the zipper allowance. This is 7 inches for the zip. And then I'm going to be sewing from here all the way to half an inch below the vent line here. And on this line, I'm going to run a loose stitch because we are going to be losing it later. And I'll run a loose stitch also on the zipper line, and we're also going to be losing it later. I've already hemmed the down parts of the skirt, and also I hemmed the front. So this is how it looks. You can choose to line it, but this is not going to have lining. It's just a tutorial. So let me go and lock the opening and come back and show you the next step. So guys, I'm done with the stitches, as you can see. So this center back on the vent side is closed. It's not open. It's folded and it's closed like this. So this is the center back, and this is also the center back. So what you are going to do now is to divide the 6 inches that are left here for the vent into 3 parts. So this is the first line. So I'm going to mark 2 inches. I mark 2 inches all the way down, and I'm going to draw a line, a straight line. Next, I'll be marking another 2 inches. I'll mark it and draw a line straight down. So this is it, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. So the next thing to do now is to run a gathered stitch here, and also run a gathered stitch here because I'll be removing it at the end of the sewing. So I'll just use needle and thread to do the running stitch. So guys, this is it. So what I'm going to be doing next is to open it like so. Then get my iron and open the zipper line like this. What I'll be doing now, I'm going to be folding each pleat. This is 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to be opening it like kissing pleat. Like this. You see the stitch part. This stitch line will align with this zipper line. This is first stitch, this is the zipper line. So this one, this first one here, this is the first one, this second one here, you are going to be opening it like this. Make sure that the stitch line align with this zipper line like this. we've taken the first pleat. So at the hemline, you do the same thing. Let me pin this one so that it will be easy for us. You see the down parts? Also going to be opening it like this, as if you are making a kissing plate. You see the line? This is one. This is also one. So let me pin it. Guys, hope you understand what I'm doing. I'm going to pin it on this side, and then also this side. All along it should be aligned with the zipper line. You see, it's on the center back on the zipper line, and also this side is also on the center line at the back. Hope you get me. So this is it. So what I'll be doing next is I'll sprinkle it with water so that I'll iron this side and then iron this. I'll come to this side and also iron it to get the pleats down. So now I've finished with the first pleat, you see. So now you take the next line, also open it, make sure that this stitch line align with the middle line here. Put it here, and when you come to the hemline, you do the same thing as you see me doing, like so. Make sure that the stitch line align with the center back line. So what I'll do now is to sprinkle the water on it and iron it so that I can get the line on the edges well. So let me pin it, and so that I do the other side. This is the other side. So guys, we finished with the second plate. Now I'm moving on to this is the last plate. You see, this center line will align exactly on the zipper line, like so. See, you see how easy it is, you see? And then the last one will also align on the hemline. I'll put the pin so that I can iron the plate properly. You see how I look? Make sure that where the fence is in the center back is always closed. So the next thing to do is to stitch it like this, but you are not going to stitch it on top. You see where the red thread ends and where the loop stitch starts from this end to this end, and then you come to the other side of the pleat, and also you turn it like this so that you can stitch also on this side. Stitch it like this. So I'm going to pin it down. So I give it more press. So let me go and stitch it and come back and show you the final look. So guys, I went ahead to remove the stitches, the loose stitches. So this is how our fence look like. You see how beautiful it look. So you can decide to make it longer than this. It depends on how long you want it. And if you want more pleats, because this I use 6 inches for the width and the length 7.5. But if you want it more pleats, you can extend the width to 8 or 10 inches. So this is how the 6 inches look like. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up share my video, comment, and also if you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and do so that you'll be part of this amazing family. And also on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to be updated whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.